How to create your own sticker in Picsart. Want to make custom stickers for your design? Here's how to create your own in Picsart. Open an image you want to turn into a sticker in the editor. Use the Remove BG tool to cut out the subject and make the background transparent. Once it's isolated, resize and position the cutout to your liking. Click Export and make sure to choose PNG format to keep the transparency. You can now upload this PNG anytime again and use it as a reusable sticker in your projects. Ever created a custom stickers for yourself or your pet? Share your sticker ideas in the comments below. Add a white outline and shadow effect around your cutout to give it that classic sticker look. And that's how you can create your own sticker in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.